Still there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's so weird.
It's just sitting there.
But it looks different in the camera.
What's it look like?
It's up and down, not side to side. Oh, hard it is to stay still.
How are we going to do?
What?
How are we going to do?
What are we gonna do? Is that the name?
Mm-hmm.
This one over here next to us?
No, down the corner.
Oh, I was gonna say, if it's her. Get us over here.
Oh, hey, yeah.
Like, come here, let me see shit. What the fuck is that? There's someone over there.
I don't know, is it her?
I don't know, who's that? There's a thing. Yeah.
Nope, not at all, Pook Bear. Nothing to be scared of.
Is it still there?
Oh, yep, because I just saw you cross in front of it.
What is that? No.
I don't know, I'm just looking in the camera.
I don't see it.
You don't see it no more, do you?
No.
I can still see it in the camera.
It's gone.
Oh, it is. Oh, no, it's flashing still.
Where?
I don't know, but I look up and I can still see it flashing. Barely, though. It's down lower. There's somebody across the street, too.
Where? I don't see it no more.
It's there. You can still see it flashing. It's down a lot lower.
Behind the trees, right?
Like in the middle of the trees this time. Nothing's the matter.
I don't know. I don't see it no more.
I can still see it when I look up, too. Go turn that light back on.
Why?
Because I needed it. Because I can't get it now. I can still see it flashing though, babe, in real life. Go make it go off.